love that you can do anything, and as long as the people don't know what's on your paper and it sounds good, then they're gonna like it.
I play the baritone saxophone. I like that it's bigger than the normal saxophone, and that it makes me special because it's a very select instrument.
I love the saxophone because you can get really high and it's really fun in jazz and you can do really fun stuff.
Every time they play, I cannot believe that they're a beginning, developing 6th grade jazz band. And they just start having fun. I mean, when they're playing, they're dancing around. They support each other during solos. Their sense of accomplishment has really motivated me to do more. And then when they start playing, it just starts, I mean, this magical sound starts happening, and the energy and enthusiasm is what makes this group really special.